Welcome guys, see this. Today I brought this new Redmi 5A from ordered from Flipkart. As you see this, shipping address and all. Okay, so now let's open this and see what's there. Now we will open this packet. Oh, one more slip is left. So we have to open this from the middle side. Now it will be open. Yes, tantana! My new Redmi phone. See, this is the packet of the sponge. I think so. This is the bill. So it shows. See the price. It's $599. First it was 4,999. Now it's increased to 1,000. So let it be. Now let's open the mobile first. I'm very excited. So now let's put this and see. I like to pop this, but now first open the mobile. See, the mobile is it's Redmi 5A and it's 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal, and it's gray. This color is gray. India's #1 brand, Redmi 5A by Xiaomi. See, it's, oh wow, it's made in India, you know. See this, it's made in India. And let's see the specifications. Redmi 5A 12.57 cm display, 13 mega rear camera, micro SD slot. It can be expanded up to 128 GB, and Snapdragon 425 processor. Now 3000 mAh battery. Okay, so these were the specifications. Now let's open the cover first. Now see, it's full. This packet is full sealed, and we have to cut this side and this side. Here, do not accept the seal if it's broken. So let's cut this. So now we will cut this one and this one, both the sides. I think so it's open. No, all the sides you have to do like that only. Okay, so this is the peeling off, and 1 2 3, it's there, my new Redmi phone. See this, oh, it's full black in color. Good. So it contains, see, the back side is just like curved iPhone, and it's pretty nice color. Yes, you can see. Now we get a phone. I think so this is the startup guide. Yeah, some guide or thing. No, this is the guide one, quick guide. And we have a USB cable, data cable, and here's a pin for opening the SIMs, and here's the charger. See, the charger is also great, dynamics are there, and nice looking, pretty cool, awesome. And here's the specifications. So this charger contains, output is 1 ampere, nice charging will be done, and input is, you can see that. Okay, so let's start the mobile. Here the data cable is there. I think so this we have to charge first. This is the pin, so we will see this all afterward. Now let's start the mobile first. So it has a volume button, power button, and here you can put the sim cards. Both are 4G. Yes, sim 2 is there, and this one has micro SD and sim 1. Okay, here's the camera. It's 13 megapixel, and this is, I think so, 8 megapixel. Now let's start that. Oh, it's vibrating. So it takes quite 1 to 2 minutes, I think so, to start the mobile. Now it's starting. You can see this. It's lightning fast MIUI 9. It looks quite awesome. So we have to start this. Choose language. No, India. Yes. We have to set the time and all. Choose your region. So we will select India. We have to select the, yes, India. Now change. Now it will set the region. Now Google Indic keyboard, let it be. So connect to a network. So now we don't have a network, so we will skip it. Agree. No SIM card now, so we will put next. So welcome your Redmi 5A. So copy your data. You can copy your all the files from your old iPhone or Android device, anything, or but you can start as a new phone also. So we will start a fresh start. So Google services, health app finds, improve locations, these are all the settings. So agree, we have to. Anything else? Add another email account. You can add email accounts and review additional apps. So we click it, all set. Only screen lock we will set. You can set password also, but now for temporary we will click only screen lock. Password, pin, pattern, no, not that, we will not set now. Additional settings, you can all set these in the settings afterwards. So there are two themes, you can choose anyone, default or anyone. Now we will choose the default one. Now setup is complete and we are ready to rock. It's loading the apps. It takes quite time for the first time. So till that time, let's see. There is a, this is the charger, USB cable. USB cable is also good, and this is the pin for ejecting these. Now guys, see this, the phone has started, and so we will take this. So it's so smooth and fast. It's 2 GB RAM, and here there is a quick, you can call a cab, brief note, cricket and all calendar events. And you can see the camera tools are awesome. See, your cock scanner is there, you can screen record, FM radio, mirroring, compass and etc, whatever. So here more apps. Here you have the Microsoft ads, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and many of them. You have the remote, MI remote. So we will test the remote first. Okay, agree. Add remote of any TV you can take. So see, so many TVs are there, so we will take LG and point power. So for checking we will put this see it's working. Okay, so we will do it afterwards and see the camera also. We have to allow this and see remember photo locations and all. See, camera is also good. Now we will see the front camera. You see the front camera is also there. You have many options, beautifications and all. So hope you like this video and this review. So if you like this, comments down and subscribe me and turn off the notifications for new videos and more. Thanks guys. One more thing, first don't forget to subscribe this channel, you know Sansari I am, and like this video if you like this review. And if you want a new Redmi 5A like this, so you can contact me on my YouTube channel, or the WhatsApp number is given down in the link, so you can contact me. I will book a phone for you, as it is quite difficult to book guys. So thanks.